roads, no water, no healthcare centers, and the only school around is an hour's walk away. That's the situation in the Ahanta West community of Gyedua. Children here who want to go to school have to walk more than an hour to the nearest school. As a result, many children have dropped out of school. JoyNews' Henry Kwesi visited the village and has filed this report.
Access to healthcare, education, water are all right under the Sustainable Development Goals. But here at Gyedua, residents, despite participating in national elections, are not enjoying these basics of life. The nearest source of water is about a mile walk from the village. A pool of water under a bunch of bamboo trees, mostly muddy with leaves, lying on the surface. The task of collecting potable water falls on women and children, especially girls, who carry water on an average of 40 minutes. I take a trip with some residents as they trek to a borehole built by World Vision.
Our source of water, the stream, is so unclean, but because we have no option, we cook and wash with it and even drink it. The source of potable water is far away. Children and even adults go through a lot of pain to fetch this water. We need help.
16-year-old Salome Mensah has lived at Gyedua all her life. She combines school with helping her parents on the farm. She's a pupil of Buakrum DA Primary School. Salome tells me she walks for about an hour to school each day. Now listen to her introduce herself.
Salome Mensah. My name is Salome Mensah. I am in class 6. My school name is Buakrum. My school name is Buakrum DA Primary School. When I wake up morning, I walk to school very difficult since our child.
Children less than 8 years old cannot go to school. This is why their limbs are not strong enough to do the 1 mile walk to school. Grace Mensah has 2 children at a tender age of 20. Her first when she was 16. She fears for the lives of her children, so she will not allow them to go to school.
I have 2 children, a 4-year-old and a 5-year-old. Because of the nature of our roads, they have never been enrolled at any school. I don't want to risk their lives, so I prefer they stay at home. Until they are a bit older, my children will not attend school. I am afraid of the dangerous routes.
Because of equality.
Kweku Kwatin is a farmer. He resettled in this community from the eastern region some 30 years ago. Kweku recounts how an expectant woman nearly lost her life some time ago because the community has no access to health care.
Now, road did not to here,
We badly need good roads here. I remember we had to carry a woman in labor on a cane chair and walked miles in order to reach a hospital, all because of our bad roads. The woman delivered on her way to the health center, so we brought her back to the village. Luckily, she survived with her child. This was an unpleasant experience. We need a health center at least. Living in Gyedua, the small community in the Ahanta West municipality of the Western region without a health center, a school and public places of convenience amongst others, the future of children here looks gloomy. Henry Kwesi report for JoyNews.